Cassie, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today we have an update on a recent purchase of mine, a purchase that I was so excited about, did a whole video about it. You saw my excitement. Some of you went and bought this because of my excitement, but it all went downhill after that, so I'm giving you an update. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I pack videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. So exactly 30 days ago, I received the Louis Vuitton Louise phone holder, okay? And I was super excited about it. This is what it looks like. It straps around the phone. It's all very cool. Such a great idea. Loved it, loved it. Of course I did. I proceeded to use it for about a week, okay? So like constantly, as in I took it to work around my neck. It was just on my phone for about a week. The issue is that the screw on the lanyard is coming out. It's been a week. So I am not so happy. I will say Louis Vuitton's customer service is amazing. I called them up and I told them the situation. They were like, you can send it back for us for a refund or an exchange. It's up to you, blah, blah, blah. So that is being sorted. I am not going to get another one because I don't want to risk the same thing happening again. I'm just, you know what? I'm upset about it. I'm upset about it, and I know it's a materialistic item and I shouldn't be upset about it, but I felt that, look, I made a video going on about how excited I was and how amazing it was, and I just always want to be truthful and honest with you guys and update you on things if they don't work out as well. These are my updated thoughts. It straps itself around the phone, which at the time I didn't see it being too restrictive. It does become a little restrictive because, then again, that might be because the phone I was putting it on was not one of the recommended phones. It was smaller than one of the recommended phones, so maybe it would not interfere as much with a bigger phone. But anyway, this is my experience. It covered like the emoji button, and I'm not gonna lie, I love sending an emoji, okay? I send emojis a lot. So that became annoying. The other thing I will say is that it never came off. It never came off the phone. I was never kind of having it and it kind of weaseled its way out. No, it was very secure the whole time. I do think it's an amazing idea for holiday / travel, stuff like that. I think it's great to have it close to you. It's a flex, okay? Let's not lie. This is a huge flex. On a black turtleneck? On a white shirt? It's a massive flex, okay? But at the end of the day, that's what it is. Is it the most practical and useful? Probably not. Yes, it is a little bit practical, but it has its downsides. But at the end of the day, is it a flex that's got Louis Vuitton on the back and people are gonna be like, oh, what's that? Oh, she's got a Louis Vuitton lanyard and it's attached and everything. That's kind of cool. It's definitely that. So there's my update. I am saying goodbye to the Louise phone holder, and you know what, it was a short-lived relationship that we had, but it's one that I will look on semi-fondly, because at the end of the day you did screw me over. Again, shout out to Louis Vuitton for their amazing customer service. These things happen. Maybe it was just a fluke, maybe it's something that they need to have a look at. Either way, that's my experience. Like this video if you liked it and all of that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Come and join us and our luxury addicted family if you're not already joined. We would love to have you and you will have a great time here, I promise. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.